All right, this is the last Gulf Coast Twin Breeze or Palm Breeze 2 ceiling fan. This is in my uncle's office. And this one has a different styling of blades, but the finish is exactly the same as the one in the spare bedroom. Control is down here behind the door. Let me go ahead and turn it on so I can get to the switch without falling. Yep. Nothing special in the lights, just this typical dimmer. And let me put this one on. Here's low. This one moves a little bit more air than the other ones do. Let's try medium. I notice, I think the brackets on this one are a little loose. That might be why the blades are a little saggy, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, this one moves a lot more than the other two do. And I'll try high and just see what happens. I'm daring. Probably fine. Yep, it's good. Yeah, this one does not go very fast at all, but it's actually pushing a really good breeze. But that's all there is to this one. So that is the last Gulf Coast Palm Breeze 2 ceiling fan at my aunt and uncle's condo in Florida. Thank you for watching.